Welcome to the demonstration of the Virgil Security E3Kit JavaScript application that uses Firebase as a backend. For this demo, you will need Node version 10 or newer and npm or yarn. First, clone the repository to your computer. Next, you need to deploy a Firebase function to connect your Virgil and Firebase accounts. In order to do that, navigate to Virgil Firebase function repository. Clone this repository to your computer. Now go to Firebase console and sign into your account. Create a new Firebase project if you don't have one. In your Firebase project, navigate to the Authentication tab. Go to the Sign-in Methods section and set up your preferred sign-in methods. For example, email. To be able to deploy a Firebase function, you will also need to change your billing plan. Go to your project settings, usage and billing, and change the billing plan to Blaze. There, you'll need to set up your billing account. Now open the command line and install Firebase CLI by running npm install g firebase tools. Next, start up the Firebase CLI by running Firebase login. Navigate to the repository folder and run Firebase use add command. Select your Firebase project from the list and press enter. Type analyze for your project, for example staging, and press enter again. After that, navigate to Virgil dashboard, sign into your Virgil account, and create a new application. In your Virgil application, click on E3Kit tab and generate a new .env file. Download and save it to the Firebase function repository folder and rename the text file to .env. Now open the command line again. Navigate to the repository folder and run cd functions, npm install and npm run configure. In case you receive a message like warning found and vulnerabilities, run npm audit fix. For Windows users, it's also necessary to open firebase.json file and rename the resource dir variable, as shown in the instructions. Now you can finally run npm run deploy. After deploying the function, add Firebase dashboard in your project, select the Functions tab to see your function deployed. Now you can go back to setting up the demo application. Navigate to Firebase dashboard and choose the Cloud Firestore tab. There, click Create Database and start in test mode. In the demo repository README, copy the necessary lines and paste them in the database rules. Click Publish after editing the rules. Now go to your project settings in Firebase console. In your Apps section, click the slash and add Firebase to your web app. Write your app name and register app. Copy the var Firebase config and paste it in the firebase.ts file in source folder of the repository. Open command line again. Navigate to the demo repository and run npm install and npm run start to start the application. In the browser, navigate to localhost 1234. There, sign up to users and start a conversation between them. After that, in Firebase database, you will be able to see the encrypted messages. Due to HIPAA requirements, the messages are deleted after the delivery. Thank you for watching. Leave your questions in the comments below or send them to support@virgilsecurity.com. Subscribe to Virgil Security YouTube channel for more.